Good morning, YouTube. Well, got a new announcement, and that is that AMD just did a little bit of a tease for their 7000 series Enthusiast GPU lineup. They're at Gamers.com right now, and they are doing, I believe, the 25th for us, but 26th for them. The release of, or the announcement of, some product, and we all know, as we've been waiting for the 7800 and the 7700 XT graphics cards. So without further ado, let's look into this article that I have been notified of. It's plain as day right there, cardboard. I did zoom in the picture. So here's what we got. We have all, obviously, little each manufacturer's graphics cards that are already out on display, and as well as motherboards for the AM5 platform. But the RDNA 3, August 26th, AMD. So they're all cardboard cutouts, and it looks like they're definitely going to still go with the 3-fan tier cooling system. So that's awesome. And then, so as it says, we're supposed to be, in case we haven't heard already, in Germany at the Gamers.com, Asus, AMD, and ASRock are there to present some of the hardware companies for AMD and their new GPU. So I just wanted to go over just a little bit of this tease. Obviously, it was posted on X. I'm very excited. I really want to see what their price point at. I'm hoping the 7700 XT is priced at a good, on the high end, $429 on the high end, but it should not be any more than that. I mean, as we're already seeing, the 6800 XT is going to still have the 16 gigs of RAM. Now, I can't say if the other aftermarket versions of the card are going to end up being with more, like they did with the 7900 XT, in that sense, where 7900 XT was 20 gigs of VRAM, and then you have the XTX that's at 24. So I can't say anything in that sense because we don't know. But from what we're looking at, 3-fan tier cooling system, 6800 XT is looking to be at 16 gigs of VRAM, and we can only speculate that it's going to be the same for the 7700 XT at 12 gigs of VRAM. Do we hope there's something more there? I would hope so. Maybe they make it as a version of the 7700 that's at 16 gigs, but then why would that make sense? Maybe even 14 gigs. Add that extra 2 gigs of VRAM. I don't know. Make it appealing. Not just for looks or just doing what you're doing, but whatever the case may be, I'm very excited for AMD's announcement in the next couple of days, and I'll try to do another video where we go and watch it or something like that. I have a notification to watch it on Twitch live, so I'll probably just do that, or we're just watching it on there or through YouTube, whatever the case is. I'll figure it out by then. And we'll do something like that and go over, and we'll just obviously talk it up in the chat on my Twitch, and all that good stuff. And I'll have all that stuff, the link in below in the description. So thank you guys for watching. I know this is my first actual news announcement for tech wise, so just bear with me. But we got to start somewhere, right? We got a rough start. Let's get it going. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links to my Twitch and all that good stuff. And don't forget to follow on my Twitch so you can watch all my live streams, Tech Talks. I do all my Tech Talks on Twitch. I do plan to do it a lot on here as well with content like I am now. Hopefully it'll be a little bit better. I just try to do it right on the whim. Try not to be too long, but thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.